Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can scrap meta titles and meta descriptions from any website with Parse Hub. So if you want to extract meta titles and descriptions from a website for SEO analysis or research, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can scrap meta tags using Parse Hub, a free web scraping tool. So the first step, of course, you need to download and install it from the parsehub.com. Open the Parsehub and click on New Project. And you can just enter the URL of the website you want to scrap. For example, in here, we'll just go with imdb.com. And you can just tap on this Start Project on this URL. And you'll see the page or the website. So once the website loads in Parse Hub, you can just click the select page options. Okay, it's still waiting to. So for example, I'm going to just go with this one. You can click on it. And then you can just click on the meta title. It's usually inside the title tag in HTML. After that, you can just rename it to meta title, for example. Okay, you can just, sorry, let's just delete this first. Okay, after all of that is done, you can just tap on get data, and after that you can just tap on run to preview the extracted data. So once finished, you can download the data in CSV, JSON, or Excel format. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.